Good morning, everybody. I am making some people chow this morning. They have dog chow, cat chow, all kinds of animals have perfectly formulated foods. So I have developed people chow. You might have seen some in my former videos, but it's also called a savory cookie. Here we go. So what you need to make people chow is any kind of fruit, vegetable, green, grain, meat, milk, and egg. So today for my fruit, I'm using apple. For my vegetable, I'm using some ground up sweet potato. For my green, I'm using spinach. For my grain, I'm using flour. For my meat, I'm using some roast beef. I've got milk and I've got an egg. Fruit, vegetable, green, grain, meat, milk, egg. You can use anything. So here it is again. Fruit, vegetable, green, grain, meat, milk, egg. I grind up everything except the milk and the grain. Then I mix in the milk and the flour until I have consistency of a cookie dough. Then I plop it out on a plate and cook it in the microwave. So I cooked them for 3 minutes on one side, turned them over, another 45 seconds, and they are ready. I'm gonna make some dip. What do you think, baby Snow? What do you think? Do you like people chow? You like dog chow. For my dipping sauce, I'm going to use mayonnaise, ketchup, and relish. Mmm, yummy. Savory cookies or people chow. That's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed people chow. Try it sometime. It's delicious, no matter what you use. Fruit, vegetable, green, grain, meat, and milk. And an egg. I'll see you next time. Jesus loves you. Happy holidays. Jesus is the reason for the season.